This is the instructional video for finishing and completing the typographer's book assignment. So here you'll see I have a typographer's book that's finished. This is a former student's work. And you can see all the text that's flown in from the research paper. There's a heavy emphasis on typography throughout the entire book, showcasing all of the different typefaces and work of this designer. Here's the actual quote that's set. Here's some of the other typographic features that this person is focusing on, and he ends with the bibliography. Then we have the back of the book. Here it is all laid out as one page. They focus this time on individual letter forms to spell out a word, fun color palette. So now that this is finished and we've checked and made sure that everything is here, it's correct, the typesetting is perfect, we're ready to export the file. So we're going to go ahead and start with the front of the book. So I have this file open. I'm going to come up here to File and click Export. I'm going to stick to that naming convention. So this is ready to go. I'm going to call this Front. Click Save. And now in here it's important that we have spreads selected because we want to see these as spreads. We also want all. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this to smallest file size for this. So spreads. Make sure all this is correct. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and click Export. Click OK. Then we're going to see that this is happening. It's finished. I'm going to go ahead and do the back now as well, and then I'll show how to combine them together. So I'm going to come up here, File, Export. Same exact process. Right naming convention. Since it's just one page, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and click Page, All. And then Export. So now I'm going to go ahead and open both of these files. We'll want to do that so we can combine them together and then ultimately upload them to Blackboard. So here I have them both open so we can look at this and make sure everything's correct. Zoom out a little bit. If we click over here, we can open up this bar of pages. Okay, so it looks like everything's there. Just going to jump through. Looks all correct. Everything's how I wanted it to look. It looks just like it did in InDesign. So now I just need to add that one last page in at the bottom for the back. So I have it open here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so that it becomes a separate file. And then if I come here quickly, I can just click on the pages and I can actually pull this down into this file. And now it should be in there. There it is. It's all together now. So now I can go ahead and just click File, Save As, and save this to my computer under a different name that I can ultimately then upload to Blackboard because everything's now together in one file. If for some reason you're having trouble with that, you can always come up here to File, Create, and there's this option to combine files into a single PDF. That would be another way to accomplish this as well, but either way is acceptable. All you need to do is make sure that you have all of these pages together, ready to go, and go ahead and upload them to Blackboard. As always, be sure to email your instructor if you have any questions at all, but hopefully that helps walk you through the process of completing this file to get it ready to turn in.